everyone. Hello my dear children and my dear parents. Welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here again. I'm going to explain you concept about these and those. About this and that, I have already explained it earlier in my video. You can find that video link. I have already shared it in my description box. So today I'm going to explain about these and those. When to use these and when to use those. I'm going to show you some examples and I'm going to solve some worksheet for you. With the help of that, you can easily understand that when to use this and when to use those. Now let us see those. So now worksheets. I'm going to explain you about use of these and those. So about this and that, I have already explained it before in my video. You can go through that link. So today let us revise once again about this and that. This means something which is near to us, something which is near to us. And that means something which is far away from us. And this is used for a singular noun. Like I'm going to show you, this is a pen. So what I will say, this is a pen and this pen is near to me. So I'm saying that this is a pen. That, when to use that, something which is far away from me. Suppose this pencil I'm putting away, far away from me, and I'm saying that that pencil is far away, or I'm saying, or I'm indicating that that is a pencil. That is a pencil. So this is used for a singular and which is near to us, and that is also used for a singular thing but far from us. Next one, today we are going to learn, or we are going to read about these and those. This is also used for something near to us but plural, something plural in the more than one. Okay, which is used for more than one in number, plural. Okay, suppose here you can see so many sketch pens are here. So what I will say, these are pens, these are pens. And when to use those also we use when something far away from us. Suppose these pens I will keep away, far away from me. Now I will say those are pens. Those are pens means something far away from us but which is more in number, more than one. So you can see here, these, when to use this? Here is the definition. It is used for more than one in number and near to us. As I told you, something which is more in number, but this is with me, something near to me. Those is used for more than one in number and far to us, and which is far to us. Now let us see this picture. You can see this boy is showing something. You can identify the pictures and you can say whether to use these or whether to use those. This boy is saying these are flowers because you can see these flowers are near to this boy. So what you will write here? These, T-H-E-S-E, these. Next one, you can see some balls. So these balls are far away from this boy. So what you will say? Those are balls. Those are balls. Tree also you can see near to this boy. So what you will say? These are trees. And these trees also you can see flowers also more than one. Balls also more than one. Everything is more than one. So here we have to use these and those. So what you will say? These are trees. These trees are near to him. So this boy is saying that these are trees. Clouds also you can see it's far away from this boy. So what you have to write? Those are clouds. Those are clouds. Some strawberry you can see here. So this strawberry also near to this boy. So these are strawberries. these are cups. So what you will say? These are cups. Pencils. These pencils are far away from this bar. So we have to write here. Those are pencils. Okay. Now you can understand this, when to use these and when to use those. Now let us do some activity here. Can you see? Yes. See, some cards is here. So you can see the arrow, it is near to me. So what I will write here? These are cards. These are cards. Apples. You can see the apples, some apples here. So what you will say? Those are apples. Those are apples. Next you can see some ice cream. So what you will say? Those are ice creams. Those are ice creams. Umbrella. So what you will say? Those are umbrellas. No, these umbrellas are near. So you have to write these are umbrellas. Kites. You can see kites also far away. So you have to write those are kites. Those are kites. So this is what about these and those. I hope you understood now about these and those. Use of these and those. So like this you have to use these and those. These and those we use we use with the plural noun. So I hope you understood this now about these and those. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.